Inshallah, in this video, I will show how to store user data in local storage and get user data from checkout page to thank you page with custom JavaScript. Navigate to Google Tag Manager. Now we will create triggers. That's why move on triggers. New trigger configuration. We will save these two triggers all elements and just link. Now move on variables. Inside the built-in variables, we enable all click variable. Now we will go to preview. Must be enter here website URL, then connect. Let's choose a product and go to checkout. Let's move on Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. We can see here that the data layer is not enabled. Back to our website. After filling out this form, let's inspect first name. Copy element and paste into the notepad. Here we see input type text and we got name. Let's copy this. Move on console. Remove everything. Then type here document dot query selector, then parenthesis, then single quotation, then square bracket, then paste the name that we copied, then dot, then value, then semicolon. Here we got our value. Let's copy this code. Back to Google Tag Manager. Move on variable, user defined variables, new variable configuration. Select custom JavaScript. Write here function. Then return. Then paste the code that we copied from our website console. In Google Tag Manager, we use anonymous function, so we don't give it a name. Name the variable, then save. Same way for last name, just replace the first with the last. That will work. Let's copy this code. Back to Google Tag Manager and copy our first name variable. Customize the name. Also customize the code. Then save. Back to our website and in our form, in the country section, we can see there is a drop down menu. Let's inspect country and copy selector. Go to the console and type here document dot query selector, parenthesis, then single quotation, then paste copied selector, then dot, then text content. then semicolon. We use here text content because in the country section there is a drop down menu. Copy this code and back to Google Tag Manager, new variable configuration, custom JavaScript, and write here function. Then return. Then paste the code that we copied. Name the variable. Then save. Back to our website, and also in the district section we can see here also drop down menu, same way for district. Copy selector, move on console mode and paste here that we copied. Let's copy this code back to Google Tag Manager and copy this country variable. Customize the name. Also customize the code. Then save. We need to do the same way we did for first name and last name. For state address, town or city, postcode, phone and email. Let's do this.
شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي شكرا لك ربي حمدا قلبي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي وهبتني لسانا ذاكرا وقلبا شاكرا يا خالقي شكرا لك ربي حمدا لك ربي أحييت روحي وأنرت قلبي وهبتني لسانا.
Our all variable have been created. Let's store user data in local storage. Move on tag, new, tag configuration, custom HTML, opening tag, then closing tag. Now we will JavaScript code inside the tag local storage dot set item parenthesis single quotation, then first name, then comma, then curly braces. Now we call our first name variable that we previously created, then semicolon. Now for the last name, same way call last name variable. Same way for country, state address, town or city, district, postcode, phone and email. Then triggering, click on plus icon, trigger configuration, select all elements, some clicks, back to our website and inspect place order button. since we redirect from the checkout page to the thank you page after filling out the form and clicking the place order button. Here we see the button ID. Let's copy and use it to trigger. Click ID equals, paste here that we copied, name the trigger, then save, also name the tag, then save. Let's submit our work and go to preview mode. If our data is stored in local storage or not, choose a product and go to checkout page. Inspect the page, move on application. We can see that all our user data has been stored properly. Back to Google Tag Manager. Now we will create variable to get stored data. Move on variables. From user defined variables, new variable configuration, custom JavaScript, and write here function. Then return local storage dot get item parenthesis, then single quotation or double quotation, then first name, then semicolon. Name the variable, then save. Same way for last name. Let's copy this variable, customize the name, also customize the code, then save. Same way for county, state address, town or city, district, postcode, phone, and email. Let's do this. Our all variables for get have been created. Let's create a tag, new tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google Analytics GA4 event, paste here measurement ID, or select our variable for measurement ID that we created previously. Then event name, move on event parameter, add parameter. Our event parameter should be first name, last name, county, state, town or city, district, postcode, phone, and email. Now we select our event parameter value, type here curly braces and select that variable for first name that we created previously, also for last name. Same way for others. Then triggering, click on plus icon, trigger configuration, select DOM ready, some DOM ready events. When we got the thank you page, this trigger will fire. Let's back to our website and click on place order. Our thank you page URL contain order received. Let's copy this. Back to Google Tag Manager. Select value page URL contains. Paste that we copied. Name the trigger. Then save. Also name the tag. Then save. Let's again submit our work. Then publish. Continue. Go to preview mode again. Let's choose a product and go to checkout page and click on place order. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode. Continue. Here we see our tag fired and our data perfectly stored and get. Finally, we were able to store user data in local storage and get user data from checkout page to thank you page with JavaScript. Alhamdulillah.